Alright, we have just arrived in Canton, Mississippi. We are at the Nissan factory. They actually assemble the trucks. Wendy Orphan, good friend of mine who works for Nissan as well, has extended the invitation to me being a Nissan Titan brand ambassador. You got it right. So we're about to tour the factory, see how it's done, from sheet metal to finished product. So hopefully I get some keys today myself as well. We'll see what happens. How you doing, sir? David Rose, pleasure to meet you. Thanks for having me, Phil. I appreciate it, man.
So where the magic happens, man, this is the chassis right here, and from here, this is the foundation. We got the nuts and bolts and the heart and soul of the trucks. So when the hood comes down on the chassis, is that all like computer generated, or are they actually pulling a lever to tell it when to come down?
He's got a button over there.
Okay. It's like it's like everything's been assembled in its own place. I love it.
Stuff like that.
So when all hands are on deck and you're moving at capacity, how many people at one time could be here at capacity?
Probably close
2,000 people. That's a lot of people. All right, so we're going to exchange workout tips for beard game tips, because this beard game is strong. The assembly of these amazing Titan trucks. They're assembling the seats, they're assembling the chassis, the engines. You literally see from point A to Z. Stop laying. That's me right there?
You right there coming offline.
It feels like it's my wedding day, and that's my wife. That's really my right there. That is beautiful. And I'm taking that home today. Oh, man. My brother. Got the keys. Let's go.
As a Nissan Titan ambassador, I can't explain to you how excited I am to take this midnight edition Titan XD on the road. I got a lot of barbecue events. I have some branded events as far as cigars, barbecue, TV, and I can't tell you of any better truck to get me to where I need to be than the Nissan Titan XD.